Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your TradingView password. First, open your web browser and go to the TradingView website. On the login screen, you'll see a Forgot Password link. Click on this link to begin the process. You will then be prompted to enter the email address associated with your TradingView account. Make sure it's the correct one to receive the reset instructions. After submitting your email, head over to your inbox. TradingView will send you an email containing a unique link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on this secure link to proceed. It will direct you to a page where you can set up your new password. Now it's time to create your new password. Choose a strong, unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information. Type your new password into the first field, then re-enter it in the second field to confirm. Make sure both entries match exactly to avoid any errors. Congratulations, your TradingView password has been successfully reset. You can now log into your account using your brand new password. For an extra layer of protection, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. This adds significant security to your profile. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.